Good morning everyone. Chapter 5th, Indices and Exponents. To start this chapter, firstly we will discuss the laws indices. Your first is a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to. Now see, here a, this one is representing your base. A is representing your base and m or n, this one is representing your index of power. This is representing your power and this is your base. So if your base is same, now see, base is same, here is a raised to power m and here is a raised to power n, then base will be write down as it is, it will be same as it is, and in multiplication powers will be add. In multiplication powers will be add. Clear? Now here is a raised to power m and a raised to power n. Now see, again base is same, but this one is given to you in divide. If base is same and given to you in divide, then powers will be subtract. Powers will be subtract. Now if you want to do reciprocal, then you will write down here minus, you will take the common. So 1 over a, here is m minus n now, so you will write down n minus m. Is that clear? It will be reciprocal. When you will do the questions, it will be clear to you. Now see, a b raised to power n. A b raised to power n means do the multiply with single. A raised to power n into b raised to power n. Next is if a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n. अब equal हो, then now see, if base is equal, then power will be also equal. Next, if a raised to power minus m, if minus is given to you, it means it will be reciprocal. If a raised to power m of n, both statements will be do multiply with each other. So m into n is mn. Next is if you have to give an a raised to power 0. If you have to give any value of 0, then the answer is always 1. Next is if a raised to power n is equal to b raised to power n. Now base is not equal but powers are equal, then n is equal to 0. If base is not equal and powers is equal, then n is equal to 0. Next is what is the power of a number? Power of a number means, see, a into a, it means it's 2 times, so I have written a raised to power square. So this is the power of numbers. Next, a into a is n times I have written, it means it will come a raised to power n. So where a is your base and n is your power. Clear? This one we have already discussed. Next is meaning of n square root of a. The expression of n square root of a means n is representing your nth root of a and n is representing your numbers. How many numbers? See, or you can say that n root a means a bracket of this one, square root है ना ये, so 1 over n, it will change into 1 over n. Now look at here, I have given one example. Now 3 cube of 8, 3 is given to you, it means this is your cube root. Clear? If nothing is given to you here, it means it's a square. अगर बच्चे आपको ऐसे गिवन है, इट मीन्स इट्स अ स्क्वायर. अगर आपको यहाँ पे 3 गिवन है, इट मीन्स रूट, और अगर ऐसे है तो इट मीन्स ये 4 है. क्लियर? सो देयर इज नाउ यू हैव टू गिवन 3 ऑफ रूट 8, इट मीन्स 8 पावर ऑफ 1/3. ये 1/3 बन जाएगी और ये बन जाएगा 1/2. इट मीन्स ये 2 होता है. नेक्स्ट, नाउ बाय after change this, you have to make a perfect cube of 8. It's a 2 of cube और ये 1/3 आपका था, it will be cancel out. So by calculation 2 is your answer. Next is 4. So how you can write down? It's a 4 raised to power 1/2. This one will change into 1/2. Now to make the factors of 4 is 2 raised to power square into 1/2 ये आपका था. Now by calculation we get a 2 because 2 and over 2 will be cancel out. Now look at your question number 1. Write the simplest numerical value for each of the following. Statement is 1 by 3 raised to power 0. Now I have already told you, if you have to give on any value of power 0, then the answer is always a 1. So it means the answer is 1. Is that clear? Now B part, 27 raised to power 2 by 3. First of all, whenever you have to give 27 raised to power 2 by 3, if there is any perfect cube or square, then according to that statement you have to do it. Now 3, it means you can make a cube. So 3 of cube into 2 by 3 आपका था. So 3 and into 3 over 3 will be cancel out. So 3 of square will be left. Square means you have to write down 2 times. So 3 into 3 is 9. Now you have to make the perfect cube of 0.008. It will be 0.2 raised to power cube. And here is 1 by 3 means cube root is given to you. So 3 and over 3 will be cancel out. So your answer will be 0.2. Next, 16 raised to power minus 3 by 4. So your first step is, whenever you have to give a minus power, always do the reciprocal. See this one. Your first step is, this is your 16 by 1. So 1 by 16 you will be write down, and power you will be write down in positive sign. First you have to power in given in negative. Now it will be changed into positive after reciprocal. Now G part, this is your homework. Okay. So G part, 4 root 27 of minus 4 by 3. So your first step is write down 27 over 27 power 1 by 4. Multiply. You can say that, other you can say write in this form. So first step is do the reciprocal. Afterwards solve the calculation. Is that clear? Next, H part. Here is in bracket 1 minus 15 by 64. First of all take the LCM, and 1 by 2 will be as it is. Afterwards make the factors, or you can say that make the perfect square. Clear? So try yourself. Next, E part, 3 raised to power 2 over 3. 2 raised to power 3. So इसमें 3 की पावर 2 है और 2 की पावर 3 है. It means 2 को आपने कितने टाइम्स करना है? 3 टाइम्स. So 3 raised to power 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. अगर यहाँ पे 4 होता फिर आप 4 टाइम्स लिखते, 5 होता तो आप 5 टाइम्स लिखते. ये 2 की पावर 3 है. इट मीन्स 2 को आप 3 टाइम्स लिखोगे. क्लियर? दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप. आफ्टरवर्ड्स do the multiply, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, then 3 raised to power 8. Afterwards now you have to write down the 3 8 times. So write down 8 times and do the multiply. Next, F part, 6 root 25 raised to power 3. So your first step is 25. It will become a 1 by 6 and cube ye thigh. If there is any cutting, then cut it. I have cut. Now 25 raised to power 1 by 2. Now make the perfect square. It's 5 square into 1 by 2. Now cut it. 5 is your answer. So now I part. This one is given to you in mixed form. So your first step is you have to change into fraction form. Then make the perfect cube. So please try it. Thanks and have a nice day.